Hiccups can be annoying, right? I remember a time when I was at a dinner party and suddenly I was the star of the show, hiccuping every few seconds. I tried holding my breath, sipping water upside down, and even scared my friend to no avail. Then I discovered a simple trick: a spoonful of sugar. The grainy texture helps reset your diaphragm. Just a quick swallow, and poof, hiccups gone. So next time you find yourself in a hiccup situation, give it a try. It's a sweet solution. If you enjoy our video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks and stay blessed.